How to add a link to your TikTok bio. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open TikTok application in a mobile device. Once you open the application, all you have to do is simply log in to your TikTok account. So once you're logged into your account, you want to go ahead and simply tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Inside your profile, first of all, you want to go ahead and get a business account. So if this is your personal account, you want to go ahead and switch to your business account. For that, go ahead and tap on the three line icon, then tap on settings and privacy. Inside here, tap on account, and just like so, you will be able to find switch to business account. So once you have switched your personal account to business account, go ahead and tap on edit profile, and inside this section, you'll find links. Tap onto it, and just like so, you should now see a field labeled as website. Go ahead and tap onto it, and just like so, paste your link there. So once you have pasted the link, you want to go ahead and test it. Go ahead and tap on your profile and then click the link to make sure it opens. And that is simply how you can add links to your TikTok bio. Well, that ends the video guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.